Hello, my name is Tina and here am I back in the teacher practice area of the week 2. So here I have to demonstrate how to add resources. It's basically the same thing how we added activities, but to start from the beginning. First we have to go to these three dots and click on them. Then we click on Turn Editing On. By that time we get here at the bottom of the page this sign plus and this add on an activity or resource. So we click here and this window with all the activities and resources appears in front of us. So in this particular window we have all the activities and resources mixed up because we have active all option. But if we want just resources, we go here. So let's do the label. It takes a couple of minutes. And adding a new label to Ivona. There were some changes of the name of the group. So here I get this window and I can actually expand by clicking this arrow and get more options in the text editor. Then I can, for example, choose the size of the heading. I can choose whether the letters will be bold, italics. For example, I'm going to write the name Ivona. Sorry. And make them italics, change the color, for example, choose green, make them bold, change the size of the letter, make them like this, and I can add here a little bit of description. The name of the group, but I don't want these letters to be so large, so I, for example, change them into medium size. Okay, I want to have the name of the group phrase in different color. So I go here and make it blue. So here we are. I can go to see what is there. Good. Show on course page. Yes, I don't want to hide it. Then there is no restriction at the moment, and since we haven't made any course yet, so I will keep it this way. So I'm going just to save the name and return to the course. So that's how we added the resource. That's all for now. Bye bye.